This single cut will completely transform your rose. Take a small round piece of cardboard and apply a bit of hot glue to it. Attach it directly to the rose petals. Add a small amount of glue in the center and insert a toothpick. Separate the rose from the stem. Turn it upside down and reattach it, using the toothpick as support. Finally, gently open up the petals to give the rose a fuller, more natural shape that resembles a peony. A simple trick to give your rose a whole new look. You've been putting flowers into a vase the wrong way your whole life. There's a simple trick for that. Prepare a vase and some tape. Stick a few strips of tape across the top of the vase. Then add more strips in the opposite direction to create a grid. Place the flowers into the open spaces between the tape. The arrangement will stay in one place and look neat and well-balanced. It's best to use transparent tape so the color isn't visible. Do this with tulips after bringing them home. They will stay fresh for many days longer. Just insert a stick into the appropriate place. Tulips are some of the most beautiful spring flowers. It's important to remember this one detail to enjoy them longer. Flowers brought home initially need to be trimmed. Often they were cut several days before appearing in the store. They may be dried out and absorb water less effectively. Trim them at a 45-degree angle. Pour 2 pinches of high-proof alcohol into the water in the vase. It prevents the dangerous bacteria from multiplying. It protects the bouquet from rotting. However, this is not the only task that needs to be done. The florist recommended that I take a wooden toothpick, then pierce the stem of the flowers that droop. Why do this? It turns out that there may be air bubbles in the stem, which make it difficult for the plant to absorb water. The stick will make a hole through which excess bubbles will escape. Thanks to this, the tulip flowers will be firm and hydrated. Let me know which city you're watching me from. Put garlic under your flowers. It's a trick gardeners have been using for years. Thanks to it, they can enjoy strong and healthy plants. While most people think of garlic only in the kitchen, it also has properties that work perfectly in plant care. And in a moment, you'll see how simple it is. Just peel a whole head of garlic, sprinkle the thin skins into the pot, then cover them with soil, mix, and plant your flower. From then on, it will draw valuable nutrients straight from the ground. You can also use the skins in another way. Put them in a pot and add about half a quart of water. Let it simmer on low heat for around 10 minutes. Once the skins release their goodness, strain the liquid and add a cup of fresh water. Water your plants with this natural extract once a week. Both methods are incredibly simple. You'll see results very quickly. All it takes are those thin garlic skins. They enrich the soil and make plants stronger. Flowers grow faster, fuller, and more beautiful than ever before. Most people make this mistake. This is only taught in floral courses, but today I'll share this trick with you. Usually you use floral foam for flower arrangements. A soaked foam provides a stable base for arrangements and gives live plants long access to water. Let me show you how to soak it properly. Prepare 2 buckets with the same amount of water. Place the same type of floral foam in each bucket. Hold one foam under the water while allowing the other to submerge itself. Then, take the foams out of the water. After removing them, cut them in half with a knife. Forcing the foam into the water creates air pockets that prevent it from soaking fully. As a result, flowers placed in such foam will wilt prematurely. The only correct method is to lay the floral foam on the water and wait for it to slowly soak and sink. The foam will float at first, but after a moment, it will almost completely submerge, changing color to dark green. For bathroom mold, place a peace lily. It slows down mold growth and helps neutralize unpleasant odors. Put a ZZ plant in the laundry room. This plant tolerates humidity well and doesn't need frequent watering. And above the kitchen cabinets, place a pothos. It climbs beautifully and absorbs grease from the air. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. Cut a piece of pool noodle. Your home can gain a new look in just a few minutes. The effect will amaze every guest. Start by taking a piece of pool noodle, preferably with a hole in the center. It's a light and flexible roll that will serve as the base. Cut it along to create an open space. Once the roll is ready, grab the curtain in your hand, create a pleat, then insert the cut roll into the fold to hold it securely. Thanks to the soft foam that adheres to the fabric, you don't need any extra fastenings. Now choose your favorite decorative flowers that match your interior. The foam will allow you to easily insert the wires of the decorations, creating different compositions. Use flowers in different colors and sizes to give the decoration a unique character. In just a few minutes, you'll create an original decoration that will turn ordinary curtains into a beautiful display. It will surely catch the attention of your guests, and your curtains will gain a new look for little money. Put tulips in a vase like this. Save wilted tulips. They'll stay fresh for weeks. First, prepare a Ziploc bag. Fill it with water and seal it tightly. Lay the bag flat in the freezer for a few hours. Once the water freezes, place the ice bag on a cutting board, cover it with a towel, and carefully break it into small pieces with a hammer. Next, place the tulips in warm water for about 10 minutes to stimulate their stems. Then, pour the crushed ice into a vase and add fresh water. The temperature difference will revive the tulips and bring back their firmness. Before placing the flowers in the vase, pierce each stem with a needle just below the flower head. This will help them absorb more water and stay fresh longer. Cut the ends of the stems at an angle, trimming about 1/2 to 1 inch off. Now, place the prepared tulips into the vase. Thanks to this simple trick, your tulips will lift their heads and decorate your home beautifully for the next few weeks, looking fresh and vibrant. Place a stick into a cola bottle and you'll create something extraordinary. Take an empty cola bottle or any drink bottle and a cotton swab. Cut the cotton swab near the cotton part. Use a screwdriver to make a small hole in the bottle cap. Insert the stick into the cap so that the cotton part is outside the bottle. Apply glue around the stick to make sure it's securely attached to the cap and wait for it to dry. Once dry, unscrew the bottle and fill it halfway with water. Take rubber bands and place 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. Now, insert 3 long skewers along the bottle under the rubber bands. This will hold them in place. You've just created an amazing watering device for your plants. The cotton tip will slowly drip water, providing the plant with the right amount. This homemade irrigation system is a great way to care for your plants, even if you forget to water them regularly or plan to be away for a long time.